Jai Ho, my dear children of class 3. I welcome you all for today's class. I hope you all are fit and fine at your home. So, in the earlier class, you came to know what is the syllabus for third standard in physical education. Now, today, let us start the content and the first topic of yours, human body. We are going to study about human body. And in human body, what are you going to study? So you are going to study the growth and the development, how we grow up and how we develop. Now in growth and development, what growth and development is there? So let us see our three major points, which is very important for you all. Are you all ready, children? That's it. So how do we breathe? So how do you breathe? Every one of us, we inhale with our nose and we exhale with our nose. So we breathe with nose and we breathe out with nose. So nose plays a very important role for breathing. You'll breathe, everyone. How do we breathe? See. So we breathe in, we breathe out. So we inhale and we exhale. Now, in this process, we take oxygen. When we breathe, we get oxygen or no? Then when you all are running, you all are playing, you all are writing, when you all are doing drawing. So during continuous process of breathing takes place. So if we don't breathe, can we stay for longer time? No, we cannot stay for longer time because it is very difficult. If you don't breathe, see, just see example, when you stop breathing, what will happen? We cannot do any work. That's why we should do some practices of breathing. Sometimes you are not feeling well. Yes or no, children? Sometimes you get sneezing. Sometimes you get fever. So when you are sick, you find little difficult to breathe. Then some sneezing problem is there when the nose is full. That time what happens? It becomes difficult to breathe. So that's why the breathing exercise is very much important for everyone. So how do we breathe? We breathe through our nose. We breathe through our nose. We breathe in and we breathe out. Now let us see the second point. So how do we see? Very important point. How do we see? See, just imagine, close your eyes, open your eyes. Close your eyes. When you close your eyes, can you see anything? No, we cannot see. But when we open, we can see the far distance things, we can see the near distance things, materials, such as, see, when we go in the garden, we see so many different trees, we see different plants, flowers, benches. Have you all visited any garden, zoo, any picnic spot, waterfall? How beautiful the nature is. And this nature, how we see? We see through our eyes. We see through our eyes. So eyes is very much important. See, when we are closing our eyes, everything is black, and we open our eyes, everything is colorful, isn't it, children? When we are going in the market, we see so many different shops, we see so many different things around us. You see in the market, you see in the garden. When we go for some mountain climbing, or we go to picnic, when we go to bus stand, railway station, airport, so many beautiful things we see in the nature. You see everything colorful. So our life is also colorful. If we close eyes, everything is black, and when we open eyes, everything. So we see with our eyes whether the things are far or near. So we require eyes. So eyes plays a very important role in human body. Now let us go to the third point. And the third point is, how do we hear? How do we listen? We listen through our ears. Isn't it, children? We listen through our ears. You listen some music and dance. If we can't hear, can we dance? No. When you hear some sound, truck is going, bus is moving, you can recognize different sounds. So there are so many different sounds. Sometimes it is knocking, sometimes it is clapping, and there are so many different sounds. And along with this all things, music, we dance on the music, we sing, yes or no? When we listen, when we hear, so the ear also is very important part of our body. So we listen. You listen to the teacher. Now I am explaining you all, I am telling you all, so you are listening. When your parents tells you something in your house, you listen to them. When you go outside, when you talk to the shopkeeper, they are telling something to you, you listen. So all these three major part of a human body. See, if there is no growth, there is no development, can we see? Can we hear? Can we breathe? No, we cannot. So these three things are very important for all the human beings, and we do. Every day we breathe. 24 hours we breathe. If when we are sleeping also we breathe. Right? Have you all experienced this? You can try. When we sleep, that time also our breathing will be going on. We'll be breathing in, out, nose, eyes. And night when we are sleeping, our eyes are closed. And we dream something, we see, imagine something, and we try to see some colorful things around us. And we open our eyes, the world is so beautiful, the nature is so beautiful. We see our parents, we see our teachers, we see the buildings, you see so many things. You see animals, right, children? So now this was your first chapter, that is human body. And in human body, the first content was growth and development. And in growth and development, you came to know, okay, how do we see, how do we listen, and how do we breathe. So these are the main points of our human body. So my dear children, I will come up with my next video very soon. Till that, keep watching, enjoy yourself, study well, play good, and take care. Now it's time to say bye to you all. Bye bye. Take care. Jai Hind.